Hi there, Julie here, and today I want to share with you our Platinum range. So Platinum is our premium skincare, anti-aging skincare, and we have about 6 products in the range so far, but today I'd just like to share 3 of them with you. So these are the 3 basic steps to getting your skin looking and feeling amazing. So the first step is to cleanse, and this is a dual action cleanser. So not only does it cleanse, it also can be used as a firming mask. So to cleanse, you would just use a little bit of water, spread on your face. It's going to lift the dirt, the pollution, the makeup all off your skin and start to help with firming. So it's an anti-aging cleanser. To use it as a mask, you just spread it on, leave it for a couple of minutes, maybe 5 or 10 minutes, and it works as a firming mask, and then you rinse it off. So that's the first step, your multi-active cleanser. Then we have the Platinum Toning Essence. So what your toning essence does, it is a serum essence that's going to hydrate your skin, restore the pH of your skin, and help with anti-aging. So it'll help with the fine lines and wrinkles. So the beautiful thing, you can see it's a little bit thicker than a normal toner. And instead of just using it on a cotton pad, putting it on, basically wiping it back off again, this one you just use a little eyedropper. See, it's a beautiful thick product. Spread it on your face and neck and just leave it. And it will do all these beautiful products, ingredients that are going to help to hydrate the skin, restore the pH balance, work on the lines and wrinkles, and work on the anti-aging. It's also a vegan product, so that's great as well. And then to finish off your 3 steps is the beautiful DNA Cellular Repair Creme. So this one has beautiful ingredients that are going to trick your skin into acting 10 years younger. So it's a beautiful light moisturizer. As you can see, you just use the tiniest little bit. I always use a cotton tip or a little spatula so I'm not putting germs in my product. And then you would just spread that all over your face, your neck and your décolletage. So the Duvovoxo, it's a peptide that helps to repair the skin cells and to get them acting younger. So you will notice a difference in your skin the first time you use it. Beautiful light. Feels amazing on your skin, and you'll be looking and feeling 10 years younger. So that's our 3-step products, and at the moment we've also introduced a beautiful tool to help you with contouring your face, and that is a beautiful facial roller. Have a look at this. It's quite weighty, and the idea is that it's going to help to massage the skin. It will help with blood circulation, help drain the lymphatic system, and it'll help to firm the skin and help with the contour. So the way you use it, you would use it to roll up. It just feels amazing on the skin. So you roll up the neck, then along the jawline, and the little balls at the end just move with the skin. So that's going to help to firm and tighten the skin. It's going to help with the blood circulation, and then you can do the forehead as well. So it's just a matter of rolling up, and that gets all the toxins and drains them from your skin. Always try to work towards the lymphatic system, so the lymph nodes are around in behind your ears, and it's going to help to recontour your face so you are going to look and feel amazing. So they're all featured in the new brochure that's out in the 16th of August. So have a look at that. And if you want to know a bit more about those products and how they're going to help your skin, just ask me, or maybe book in for a facial and I can show you just how amazing they feel on your skin. Have a fabulous day. Talk to you again soon.